If Microsoft Edge is giving you an error during installation, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple fix that can help get Edge installed properly again. This is especially useful if the installer keeps failing, won't launch, or gets stuck partway through the setup process. We'll walk through the steps carefully so you can try the fix on your computer without wasting time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, find the Edge installer file on your computer. This is usually the setup file you downloaded from Microsoft. Once you locate it, right-click on the installer and choose Run as Administrator. Running the installer with administrator permissions is important because it gives Windows the access it needs to complete the installation properly. If a normal install failed before, this step often solves the issue right away. If you see a security prompt, click Yes to continue. Let the installer run and wait for it to finish. If Microsoft Edge still shows an error after that, the next step is to check the existing Edge installation from Control Panel. To do that, open the Control Panel on your computer. You can search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it from there. Once Control Panel is open, look for Programs and Features, or the section where installed programs are listed. Find Microsoft Edge in the list, then right-click on it. From the available options, choose the Change option for Microsoft Edge if it appears. This can help repair or modify the installation instead of leaving a broken version on your system. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen and allow the process to complete. In some cases, Windows may repair the browser automatically during this step. After that, try launching Microsoft Edge again to see if the error is gone. If the browser opens normally, then the issue has been fixed. If not, repeat the process carefully and make sure you are running the installer as administrator before trying again. These two steps are the main fixes you should try first when Microsoft Edge shows an installation error. They're simple, safe, and often enough to get everything working again without needing advanced troubleshooting. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy fix.